That is a bit of bad luck. Well, the car has run out of battery. So it's day 2 and we are back at Ambassador Garage. Car is ready. Fingers crossed. Hope it's ready. Well, yeah, I couldn't get a battery yesterday, so fast forward one more day and here we are. And there's the car over there. I am really excited for this. What we have got done here is basically the engine mounts were totally short, so we got them replaced. We have a brand new Bosch alternator over there, that's brand new, and we did some work over here. This side, the oil leaks, well, they have managed to plug most of the oil leaks. Yeah, almost all of the oil leaks are plugged, so it's not leaking oil anymore. And yeah, the work they done is amazing, and they did reset all the doors and all the panel gaps and everything, so it feels more solid right now. That is, so the rattling side of this car is totally gone. And what else we did was we changed the exhaust. No sort of free flow exhaust and everything, but it's a brand new exhaust system, factory exhaust system. So yeah, it's not leaking exhaust anymore and it sounds a little more silent. Yeah, so basically that's what we got done here. And the next thing to do is to get an AC. Make sure the gear is in neutral. This is the key over here. The key is really funky. Let me show you. Yeah, in order to remove the key, there's a button over here. You have to press and release. That's a safety feature. So yeah, this is the key. It looks like a house key. But yeah, this is the ignition key. No fancy push start buttons. Twist twice and these lights come on. You have to wait for a bang. It's basically the heater. Yep, that's the bang. Twist. So guys, the car is pretty much done and we're going out for a small test drive to check everything. And so that's basically it for Ambassador Garage. The next thing will be to install an AC. It's coming somewhere next week. So I'm pretty excited. Yeah, it's a fun Sunday. So I'm actually free. Yesterday was a total disaster, but today things are looking up. So guys, finally the wheels are done. They look amazing. Look apt for this car. Really looking nice. Take a look. I must say the front really looks nice. The wheels are definitely come out of the body line. Yep. There's extra width over there. But yeah, doesn't look too radical, but somehow it looks period correct. These are 15-inch Rado alloy wheels made specifically for the Ambassador. It's a little bit dirty right now. Once I get it washed, it might look a whole lot better. But it fit the car perfectly. No power steering, no AC. So it's going to be a wild ride. Feels the same. Let me get up to speed. It is more or less the same. Guys have definitely become wider because these alloy wheels are wider than the stock steel rims. So maybe a plus point in the handling division. Who knows? Yeah, the ambi life. Now we're getting onto the main road. This is the moment of truth. Let's see if this wheel is well balanced or not. Here we go. That clunking noise was the old alarm wheels in the room. Now we're flooring it, it will burn. 50. 60 kilometers. 80. Yeah, no vibrations. So, the wheels are good. So guys, we made it home fine. The wheels were actually fine. The whole car was vibrating because it's an old Ambassador. As you know, it vibrates. So next definitely has to be an air conditioner because it's really hot. And as you can see from the video, I was sweating all over the place. So an AC is a must. And after that, we're gonna get it painted. Some patchwork is definitely due on this car. So guys, I hope you liked today's video. If you did, please show some love and support by hitting that like button. Also, please hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, please hit that bell icon on the side as well to keep yourself posted whenever I post a new video. There are lots more videos coming out on this particular ambi, and I also do a lot of car review videos. If you're interested, please browse the channel and yeah, just help me out guys. I'm an upcoming YouTuber. So guys, that's all the time I have today for you. We'll catch you pretty soon with another video. Till then guys, goodbye and God bless.